Hi everyone. So today I am finally getting to show you our new lip kits. I have been dying to film this video and show you them, and I know that I've been teasing along the way because I've been wearing them quite a bit over the last few months. But I am so happy to say that they are finally going to be here this week and to show you them. So we have two lip kits starting, or launching rather, tomorrow. Hopefully it's the start of many lip kits to come, but I wanted to go with two staples, what I felt were staples in your makeup bag. So one really fab day look, and then one classic red for a bit of glam. And coming into this season, I think it's just fab to have a nice red, because God knows we're going through a hard enough time at the moment that it's nice to get a little bit of brightness and a little bit of glam whenever we can. So we have the two lip kits. So the first one is our Chloe lip kit, and this is named after my daughter Chloe, and she is delighted with life that she has a lip kit named after her. And it is, for me, the ultimate everyday. So it's what I would be using, what you see me wearing most of the time, because I am a real nude lip type of person. I love just something that's going to enhance my own lips and make them look nice and healthy. So I have nothing on my lips at the minute bar a little bit of foundation. So I'm going to show you the Chloe first, and then I'm going to show you the second one, which is the Sara lip kit. So this I have named after Sara Blakely, who is the owner of Spanx. She is, for me, my absolute idol. I think that she is just amazing. What she's built is amazing. Her ethos, how she is always wanting to empower women and build women up. I just love her. I think that she comes across so well, no airs and graces. And she has the story of her lucky red backpack, which came everywhere with her when she was building Spanx, and it's now on show in Spanx office. So I thought, for a great red, it was such a nice kind of connect, such a nice meaning to it. So this is our red. So we've got in this lip kit our pencil, our red lip, and a red gloss. The pencil is a nude. It's the Chloe pencil in this kit, because if you're following me a long time, you know that I don't really like coloured lip pencils, because what I find is, if say you were eating and drinking or out all day and you didn't top up your lipstick and it had faded because of the glasses or your food, we never want to see a red lip line around the lips. I always feel like it's best to outline and define with something nude and something lip-like, so that if the case was that you couldn't top up and things were starting to fade with eating and drinking, that you're never going to see it around the lips. So there is always a method to my madness as to why I do things, and that is that. So I'm going to go in first. I'm going to show you then as well. So everyone who orders the lip kit on our launch night gets one of our really cute little AYU sharpeners. I went with the wooden pencils, the sharpeners, because you've got a wooden pencil in this. It's not a twisty one. I went with wooden pencils for the lip pencil, because for me, it's not the same as your eyeliner. With eyeliner, I love a twist up one. But for a lip pencil, I like a wooden pencil so that you can pair it, because I think then you get a really nice nib for definition, and it just makes things easier for you to outline, because you kind of need a little bit more control when we're doing the outline of the lip. It's not like on the eyes where we can smudge it up. So I'm going to start with my Chloe lip liner and line my lips. I'm going to try and do it half in the camera and half in the mirror. So like that, it's a nude lip color. A lot of the time, what I do, I should tell you do this first. A lot of the time what I would do is I line them and I put on gloss. Sometimes I don't bother with lipstick if I'm in a hurry. So you can use it lots of different ways. Just a good tip when you're lining your lips on top, if you've got small lips like me and you want to make them look bigger, is come from the edge and then up and round it in. So rather than following the point so much as of your cupid's bow here, round it and it'll make it look plumper. And around. What I love with nude pencils as well, I always blend it a little then, is that because they're that color, you don't need to be really precious with it. You know, it can be a little bit messy because you're going to blend it up anyway. But you see already how much bigger my lips look with that. I have just naturally small lips, so I do everything I can to make them look bigger. Then we've got our lip color, which is what I would normally say, or basically say, is a lip color but better. So it's going to bring some color back into your lips. It's kind of your natural lip color, but it's more enhanced, because if we go for a nude that's too nude, it can almost make your lips look like they've disappeared. And I find as I get older, that's not a look that I can pull off anymore. So I think I need a little bit of color. So I'm going to pop this on. It's got a matte finish. Even it's not drying, even though it's matte. But what I wanted was that you could have the wherewithal to wear matte or wear gloss, or wear sheen rather. So with the gloss then you can build it up. So you can see how I put on a nude. It's a bit of a funny way, I know. But what I like to do is, rather than tearing around my lips, is just to tap it on. This is great to give the lip a stain as well, to make sure that we're going to have it last all day. So it's kind of just enhance the lip color. And then our gloss, which is this fab, really soft pink, and it's so super soft, the gloss. It's not sticky, because everyone I'm sure knows at this point that I cannot stand a sticky gloss. You know, when you go outside and the wind blows and your hair sticks to your lips. So that was not something I wanted. So it's really, really soft and really moisturizing. Won't dry out the lips at all. And I just think it's a perfect day color. For me, this is smack bang everything I wear every day, and I just love it. I think that it makes them look so healthy. So I'm going to take this off now, and I'm going to show you our red. We're going to bring it up a notch with the red. So I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm back, and I put a little bit of foundation on my lips just to kind of dry them out and take the color away. So I'm going to start again with my Chloe lip liner, and I'm going to line my lips. So when you're doing a red, it is important to outline the lips, especially if you have any creases or anything on the lips, because we don't want it to run. And it also makes application so much easier, because you just kind of are colouring within the lines. Okay, and then I'm going to just lightly blend that out again. I love the more smudgy look. Now, 2 ways to do your lipstick for a red. So I would do it generally like I do my nude, and kind of tap it on, because I'm going to go in with my gloss over it. If you want to wear your lipstick on your own, you can pop it on like a normal lipstick. I think that this way is easier, because it means then when you use the gloss over it, you don't have to worry about being too neat on first application. And if you are new to wearing reds, this is definitely a help. So I tap it down all over. I know you're all thinking I'm mad now doing this, but, and then onto the upper lip. And the red has loads of moisturizing agents in it, so it has a lovely sheen even before we have our gloss on. So you could fill in the rest of your lips. I'm going in with the gloss to make it neat, because like I said, this way I find easier, and I think you'll find this way easy too. So I'm going to take my gloss then, and I'm going to blend it out. I just love that red. Oh my God. And there is our red. I just love it. I think that red is so, it's just so rich and so classy, and it's just, I love the sheen off it. And you see the way it lifts the face as well now, so it's making the eyes nice and bright, and I just think it's fab. So you know me, I'm kind of scared of darker lip colors, but I have been loving this, and I definitely feel it makes me just feel a bit more glam, or you know, just brings it up a notch, because everything's been so doom and gloom over the last while that it's just so nice to lift things a bit. But I hope that you're going to love them, and that you will enjoy the colours and enjoy wearing a bit of colour. I am most certainly making a pact to myself to wear more colour on the lips from now on, because life is definitely strange and different at the moment, and I think anything to make you feel better, I am up for. So I do hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you will love them, and I will chat to you soon.